Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for any new homeowner. Maybe you're just starting off on your own, or maybe you're just looking for a quick grab tool for the house. And it is a brushless power drill screwdriver set. Absolutely love this thing. So this was sent over by a company called HOTO. It's gonna come in this box right here. And as you can see, it is a 16-volt brushless drill. It's gonna come with some instructions. We're covering all the features here in the video. You are gonna get a USB to USB Type-C cable here. This is to charge up the battery. It does have a 1900 mAh battery on there. What does that mean? It's kind of hard for me to tell you the actual usage. You're gonna get multiple hours of usage out of this thing, but it's gonna depend on your various settings, how fast it's going, how slow it's going, all that kind of stuff. Now you are gonna get a nice case to keep everything nice and organized. Like I said, this is perfect for anybody that's starting off because they can just simply grab this case and do whatever tasks they need to do. Has a nice little zipper. Once you open it up, as you can see, here is the drill itself. Very comfortable to hold, nice little angle, has a nice big long trigger here. It has buttons on the sides for your forward and your reverse, and then in the middle is just the off, so very easy to press. Now you will notice when you press it, there is a nice little LED light here, nice bright and white. So if you're doing anything inside a cabinet or anything like that, or it's dark, it's very easy to see what you are drilling or screwing in. And then you're gonna get tons of little bits. So first off, you are going to get a total of 10 little bits. As you can see, here they are. They're gonna have all your standard ones. They're in this little silicone pouch. Just pop it off, and then you're gonna be able to slide them in. You're gonna get all of them. So you're gonna get the standard furniture one, you're gonna get the standard screwdriver, you're gonna get the star-shaped one, you're gonna get the Phillips head driver, you can get different sizes. So even like the star ones, you know, usually they use those like on decks and stuff. You're gonna get one of everything, so it's easy to go ahead and disconnect. And then you're gonna get essentially 10 different drill bits on here and one 3/8 key chuck itself. And these are all nice and velcroed and secured in the case so they don't fall out. But as you can see, it pops right off, and you can go ahead and utilize these to drill any like holes that you need to. And then at the very end is your keystone that you can go ahead and put those little bits in and attach. Now you're gonna notice on the end here, it's just a simple twist. Go ahead and twist it, and then go ahead and put in whatever you are utilizing. So if you're going to go ahead and drill, go ahead and unscrew it, just like a normal full-size drill. Slide it in, and then go ahead and tighten it back in place so that way it's nice and secure. You'll feel it click once. Once it clicks, it's nice and locked, and you're good to go. Now you have drill bits that are designed for metal. You have drill bits that are designed for wood and wet and dry application. So you're set up on all those fronts. That's why it makes a nice little starter kit itself. Now on the top, you're gonna notice there is a little switch here. That switch is designed for basically whether you are drilling holes, you're gonna have it to the front. If you're basically putting in a screw, you're gonna have it put in the back side. And that is just changing the levels as far as the speed levels. It's gonna have 32 levels plus an auto level, which we'll get here in a minute. So on the low side, you're gonna have 1 through 20. That is designed for putting in screws. So when you're putting together furniture and all that kind of stuff, it's running at a lower speed, and that's what you're gonna wanna utilize. If you're utilizing the drill bit, whether you're doing wood or metal, that is gonna be on the settings 21 through 32. And once again, you can adjust those as well. And then finally, you're gonna have auto. So how does that all work? Simply on the screen, you're gonna have a little digital screen here on the bottom. First off, if you see an M, that is on the manual where you're gonna be able to change those custom drill speeds. If you press the little button at the bottom and it changes to an A, it's simply on auto. That's kind of the main feature I would utilize. It's gonna go ahead and know so you're not over torquing anything. But if you know specifically you wanna adjust it, you can put it on the M, and then there is a plus and minus button on either side. Simply go ahead and adjust those to whatever speed you want, up to 32. Then you're also gonna notice the little arrow here. That's telling you whether you're going forward or reverse, which is nice. And then finally, you have the little battery icon on the end as well. So overall, very, very easy to use, very comfortable, very lightweight, absolutely great. If you're in the market and you're looking for a great drill set, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.